By now, most of you know LinkedIn is a phenomenal business network. And the way I use it is in several different ways. One of the main reasons I realized that a lot of people are not really exploring its full potential is when it comes to listening in LinkedIn. My name is Fred from Channelship, and I'll share with you today is two main ways in which you can listen or use LinkedIn to actually listen to strategic conversations or learn a bit more from your network. The number one is your stream, okay, of connections that you see right here. What you actually see there, a lot of people just take this for granted, but there's a lot of very valuable information here. For instance, what you get there by default is the all the updates together. Okay, but remember that when you like and comment, you're supporting other people's comment, and there's also a very good way to stay in touch with them. But besides the all updates, you also get, like, you can transform that stream of updates, filtering by whatever you'd like to see. For instance, in this case, I can filter by shares, which it be anything coming from Twitter or sharing through the LinkedIn platform. And also I can go ahead and start either liking or making comments, whatever I think is important. Then you can also filter by groups, or more importantly, you can go ahead and filter by, why not, recommendations. There's a lot of people just using LinkedIn as a recommendation platform as well. So you'll find it very useful to see who's recommending who in your platform, and therefore, if you're always thinking about someone or anything you need to get done, or any specific connection that you could help others with, this will be very present, and you'll be able to understand more how your connections are linking up with each other and what do they do, basically. And remember, names as well is a very good way. Now the other and the second way, and even more interesting and powerful, is this one you see here, search updates. When you go there, I'm actually going to search for Bloggertone. This is a small business publication that we co-founded, and a very good way to network with people here. While it loads, just keep in mind this is a phenomenal resource for people in the B2B field. Here's what you get. I'll be able to see everybody that's sharing Bloggertone that I might not necessarily know. So for instance, this person here is the first time I see that name, but at the same time we have in common that we're talking about Bloggertone. So this is a phenomenal way for me to learn, first of all, who's Catherine, and second of all, maybe to like her post. And then of course you're going to see myself there as well. I'm sharing Bloggertone a lot every day, but I'm going to find obviously people that write for Bloggertone and other people that I do not know yet. So imagine if you are selling a product or service, or you're in the customer service department, wouldn't it be useful for you to see how many people are mentioning your brand in such a valuable platform like LinkedIn? Imagine the opportunities that you have to actually drill down. It's very simple for me. I mean, this person has already identified herself, and I don't have to guess who that person is. I can easily click there, see how many connections do we have in common, learn more from Catherine in this case, and why not connect with her and make it one of my first degree connections. So I'll give you an example. Let's say pure B2B brand, like let's say Regis offer virtual offices. Okay, you can save that search as well, so it's very useful. So have a look at this. 183 updates, and if I was working for Regis, that's the first thing I'll be doing to see who are actually talking about my brand there. And what's most important here, to the very right, you see the column of the news that are actually trending. So I'll be able to see if there's any specific piece of news that we posted as a brand, or anybody else has posted out there, that is trending at the moment on LinkedIn, and how many times is that piece of news being shared, okay, at the moment. So this is a very valuable thing to do. One last thing on this, you can even like drill down and sort or filter by degrees of separation, by companies. You see people from Regis, in this case, sharing stuff, but also people from other companies, by industry. So it's extremely interesting what you can do with LinkedIn, and how you can pinpoint conversations and start developing relationships.